by State Farm. Get to a better state.
So how do I know State Farm's right for me?
Try me.
What if it's the day of my brother's wedding and we use my car for the barat?
You're a good brother, and as a good driver, you receive a discount.
Of course, it rained.
And? It's a falling object. With our comprehensive coverage, you'll be just fine.
If only I had State Farm a month ago.
Get to a better state. State Farm.
Brought to you by State Farm. Get to a better state.
जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय। भारत वासियों के लिए न्यूयॉर्क में होने वाली इंडिया डे परेड एक विशेष उत्सव है, न केवल अपनी भारतीयता को उत्सव पूर्वक मनाने का, बल्कि एक दूसरे से मिलने जुलने का भी। जय हिंद,
जय हिंद,
जय हिंद,
जय हिंद,
भारत माता की जय। जय हिंद,
जय हिंद,
जय हिंद, बोलो जय हिंद, बोलो जय हिंद, बोलो जय हिंद।
Jai Hind! It's a great day for India as well as Indians in America. Today we come to pay the tribute to our motherland, Mahatma Gandhi, the great leader of the entire world who gave a wonderful contribution of solving the problems of the world through non-violent means. And of course, we come here to pay our tribute to our culture.
And now we have become one of the biggest, actually we are the largest parade here in the world outside of India, and we are very proud of it.
The organization promoting spirituality and the message of all scriptures. Please like family with the band.
This spectacular India Day parade, leading the contingent with Lal Motwani. Thank you so much for being part of this lovely India Day parade. Thank you so much.
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। माता की जय।
मैं सपने में भी ये नहीं देख पाती कि इतने सारे हमारे इंडियंस एक साथ इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं यहाँ न्यूयॉर्क में। इतना मजा आ रहा है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग हियर टुडे।
गर्जा जय जयकार, क्रांति का गर्जा जय जयकार। अपनी सीने पर झेलेंगे हम हर वज्र प्रहार। बजने दो हाथों पाओ में लोहे की जंजीर। मृत्यु द्वार पर खड़े आज जो लेकिन नहीं अधीर। नागपाश चाहे जितना भी जकड़े चारों ओर। छिन्न बाहों हम किंतु हृदय में बल अपना पुरजोर। एक तड़ित से उजड़ा है क्या तारों का संसार। गर्जा जय जयकार, क्रांति का गर्जा जय जयकार।
ये तिरंगा झंडा प्राण से प्रिय है। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। FIA ने इस झंडा को ऊंचा रखने का काम किया है।
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the 33rd.
Coming up, American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin, API. Dr. Kumar, past president of API.
You know that obesity is very common in America. Every fourth kid in the New York State is obese, and API has taken an initiative in reducing the obesity.
जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
this parade, I met many viewers of ITV who appreciated the contribution of Dr. Bernard Vishwanath and ITV in general in connecting them with India. And they also appreciated some of our programs. When you hear that response, what is the inner reaction to that? Here we go.
Well, I'm humbled by all the good wishes that the audience has given us. My father he was the pioneer in Indian television, and he, I think, opened the doors for a lot of other channels to come in. But he started something, and we're continuing it to make it bigger. So, thank you all.
Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Thank you, Vision of Asia ITV. Thank you, Kala. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you, Dr. and Mrs. Vishwanath.
Khub bhalo laglo. Rombave santosham anke. Ankin kai sangaitsa. I love you all. God bless you all. Let's keep making India proud. And may the Indian flag keep flying high.
Brought to you by State Farm. Get to a better state.
Our discount double check can help you find hundreds of dollars in savings.
Speaking of, my dad always looks high and low for the best deals.
Sounds like my dad. Oh, in that case with State Farm, you won't have to go out of your way to save money.
You hear that, Dad?
Get to a better state. State Farm.
Brought to you by State Farm. Get to a better state.
Jai Hind.
We are representing the Lambo Barats from Long Island. Everyone gets married on one horse, but we give the opportunity to get married on 500 horses. That's what Lambo Barat is, the modern day horse. And ITV Gold, the best channel, always, always.
Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi is the real king.
So we have members of Aam Aadmi Party. हमारे साथ आज अन्ना हजारे जी भी थे. आपको कैसा लगा उनकी उपस्थिति से यहाँ पर? And coming to the political side of it, is he formally supporting Arvind Kejriwal?
Yes, actually we are supporting Arvind Kejriwal because the idea that he has for the India, which is a clean, transparent and accountable system that he would like to bring, that is the dream of every Indian. This is after 67, we finished the 66 years of independence and this is the 67th year. We have been celebrating all this year. Now the youth of the India, they have decided to take the responsibility of that independence, of that democracy.
You know, I'm taking the liberty of interrupting you to ask again to Aman. The question is Anna Hazare formally supporting Aam Aadmi Party of Arvind Kejriwal?
सर अन्ना हज़ारे जो हैं वो फॉर्मली सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं पॉलिटिकल साइड हमारी और हम अन्ना हज़ारे से हम सब लोग ये मैसेज देना चाहेंगे कि उन्हें अरविंद केजरीवाल और आम आदमी पार्टी को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए। करप्शन हटाने के लिए वो पूरा सपोर्ट करते हैं, वो जगह जगह जाते हैं, लोगों को बोलते हैं कि करप्शन को हटाओ और अच्छे कैंडिडेट्स को वोट दो, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम हम चाहते हैं कि वो ये बोलें कि ये आम आदमी के कैंडिडेट्स हैं, इससे क्लीन कैंडिडेट्स तो कंट्री में है ही नहीं।
बहुत ही सही कहा, बिल्कुल सही बात। और आप बताएं कि बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस परेड, हाउ वाज इट इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर फीलिंग?
It was great. We could see the energy and the enthusiasm among the crowd. That's awesome.
भारत माता की!
Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you.
TV Asia!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Asia Shah!
they publish monthly magazine also. To bring the media ground.
Happy Independence Day! भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की!
Jet Airways offers the best air deals.
The Jamaica Queens, Arya Samaj!
आर्य समाज न्यूयॉर्क सदस्यों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत। For the new season of Kaun Banega Crorepati launching in the first week of September.
Indian National Overseas Congress salutes you, Shubh Prakash Singh, Yuvraj and Kubra Chopra. Be for you.
Chita, 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 chita.
Cultural Society of New York. Thank you, Bhagwan Valmiki
डॉक्टर
of New
अम्बेडकर
York.
के
Bhagwan Valmiki
की राह
of New
पर
York.
चलने
Thank
वाले
you.
मार्गदर्शन करने वाले सभी सदस्यों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया बेगमपुरा कल्चरल सोसाइटी ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क।
मैं सपने में भी ये नहीं देख पाती कि इतने सारे हमारे इंडियंस एक साथ इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं यहाँ न्यूयॉर्क में। इतना मजा आ रहा है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग हियर टुडे।
His Holiness Shri Sadguru Jagjit Singh Ji, जो बोले सो निहाल।
The Daily News float over here, one of the largest newspapers in the United States.
National Associations of Asian Indian Christians for being part of the parade.
For New York Live for joining us today.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Thodikud.
I love you all. Thank you so much for coming. And I'm going to give you a little message in the few languages that I know. Maja avi gaya. Khub bhalo laglo. Rombave santosham anku. Ankin kai sangaitsa. I love you all. God bless you all. Let's keep making India proud. And may the Indian flag keep flying high.
जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय।
जय हिंद। डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र कौशिक, भारत माता को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और भारत माता की जय।
Oh, it feels amazing to see so many Indian people in New York. So, I mean, it's such a surprise. Yeah. Vande Mataram!
वंदे मातरम।
जय हिंद।
भारत माता की।
Brought to you by State Farm. Get to a better state.
A discount double check can help you find hundreds of dollars in savings.
Speaking of, my dad always looks high and low for the best deals.
Sounds like my dad. Oh, in that case with State Farm, you won't have to go out of your way to save money.
You hear that, Dad?
Get to a better state. State Farm.
Brought to you by State Farm. Get to a better state.
India is great. You all should come and parade with us. Happy Independence Day.
I feel really good. This is the first time I'm attending this parade, and I'm so glad we are here, and we brought Arvind's dad with us too.
Tell me, what is the feeling for you participating?
We are pleased to see this, function here. And it's good.
And how do you like it?
Well, this is my first time to this parade, and I think it's nice to see this kind, like the heritage of India.
Have you seen so many Indians together anywhere else?
Except for India, no.
Wonderful. So, Arvindji, you are in the financial field, and we are all looking at the way conversion rate, which was 1 rupee per dollar in 1947, has reached near 62 rupees per dollar. How do you look at it?
Well, I think it's, it's unfortunate that, forgetting for a moment the 1 to 62, but even the last 6 months it's gone from, low 50s to 62. And that rapid descent is reflective of a lot of problems in India. And I think basically not enough discipline in the government to do the right things. And that's why we've had this problem. So I think there are some serious challenges. India needs to tighten its belt. And unfortunately, this Independence Day, that is a backdrop that India is facing. And it needs to, meet the challenge. And I'm hopeful it will. But right now, it seems a little worrisome.
We always look towards hope. And what is it about India that you feel fills us with hope?
Well, the spirit. Everyone's so spirited here, and it's nice.
So Indian spirit that brings us all together is definitely able to overcome all the challenges. On that note, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Jai Hind.
और अभी भारत की तरफ देखते हैं तो सबसे चिंताजनक बात क्या लगती है?
बहुत
करप्शन
जो भारत के अंदर जो दिखता है सब करप्शन सब चलता है। नेताजी की कहाँ कुछ है? पब्लिक
करप्शन दूर होने वाला है कि नहीं?
हाँ, होना चाहिए।
भारत का झंडा और डंकिन डोनट साथ साथ।
Yes, it's an excellent event, an excellent day today. It's over 150,000 populations has been and viewers has been participated with us. It's a great day and it's a great event. And I'm so proud to say that the Dunkin' Donuts has been a royal patron since last 5 years in a row, and that is why it's represented up here. Dunkin' has also moved to India too, so it's become a part of Indian life.
How are you feeling today?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। ऐसे ही हम आपको देखते हैं टीवी पे, हमेशा देखते हैं टीवी पे, इसमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और इंडिपेंडेंस डे की आप सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो।
Take independent nations and every state should come peace and harm.
Unity rules.
And I'm very proud to say that right from the very inception of this parade, 33 years ago, Air India was one of the chief sponsors and has always been.
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind! Jai Hind!
Jai Hind! Okay, tell me about this year's Grand Marshal Vidya Balan. Do you like her?
Oh, sure, of course, we love her. She is a wonderful actress. Thank you so much, but they are here. That's great.
जमनू राजानी।
क्या बात है, आप ITV देखते हैं?
बहुत अच्छी तरह, और आपका तो प्रोग्राम कम्युनिटी में बहुत अच्छा लगता है और हमेशा वॉच करता हूँ।
We are representing Federation of Malayali Associations. My name is George Matthew. I'm the president of this organization, and we are representing 52 organizations, Malayali organizations in United States and Canada, representing over 5 lakh Malayalis. And it is our privilege and honor to be part of this celebration today.
Yes, Winston Baldwin Spencer, Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda in the Caribbean. I'm absolutely thrilled and delighted to be participating in India Day here in New York in this parade.
Great. Have you been to India, sir?
Yes, I've been to India on two occasions.
What are the memories from India?
Oh, the vastness of the country and the resilience of the people of India.
And tell me one special thing about your country, sir.
Well, we are very hospitable people. We are very inviting, welcoming, and we're hoping to have a lot of Indians, not only from this area, but throughout the diaspora, to visit Antigua and Barbuda. It was a wonderful experience.
We'll definitely visit, sir. Thank you very much. Lots of good wishes. Overseas Volunteers for a Better India. What is your name, sir?
My name is Gandhi. I'm the American Gandhi.
Wonderful. We'll keep walking. Yeah.
We are promoting non-violence, peace in the world, and a better India.
Jai Hind. And welcome to New York.
Thank you.
So many Indians celebrating this special day, India Day parade, and what are your feelings being surrounded by all patriotic Indians?
It's truly emotional. Definitely Indians are truly patriotic, and we have to remember our leaders who got us freedom, and this is the day for us to celebrate. Though it's been celebrated after 3 days of real Independence Day, and so much of enthusiasm that I see over here, and Indians as such. It's not Tamils, Kannadigas, Telugus, it's all Indians over here who are celebrating this, and really it's a proud moment for us to be here as marshals over here, being invited for the first time, and thanks to the Federation of the Indian Association in New York.
Dr. Ajay Lodha ji, you are so much concerned about what is happening in India, and allow me to ask you a question related to Constitution of India. Secular, India is a secular nation. This secular word was originally in the Constitution, or it came after an amendment?
Oh my God, you are asking me a general knowledge question, but definitely I can answer it. No problem. Secular was the initial thing which was part of the Constitution. India is a secular country. That's how our Constitution depends on. And when on 26 January 1950, when first the Constitution was laid on, the first basis of the Constitution was secularism. We believe in secularism, and that's what.
Allow me to interrupt you. I wanted to share the fact about it. initially India was sovereign republic democracy. It was in 1976 during emergency when Indira Gandhi was prime minister that secular and socialist word became a part of constitution after an amendment.
Okay.
Thank you.
Not part of the media. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
भारत माता की वंदे गोवर्धन नाथ की
जय श्री गोवर्धन नाथ की जय
श्री गिरिराज धरण की जय
गोवर्धन नाथ की जय धरण की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Sethu ji, come here and tell me, being president of Vaishnav Temple of New York, why do you feel it is important to be a part of India Day Parade?
We all carry one simple message, world peace. We are here together to show world, we are in with it to show world peace, to present Vaishnav Temple of New York. Religious is an important aspect in terms of peace. Without religion, there is no peace. And with Krishna teaches you only one thing, love, love, and love. So where there is love, there is peace.
मेरा नाम राकेश जोशी, लॉन्ग आइलैंड से हूँ और आपके दर्शन देखने के लिए तरस से रहता हूँ. थैंक यू वेरी मच. यू आर डूइंग वेरी गुड थिंग फॉर द कम्युनिटी, इंडियन कम्युनिटी.
भारत की जनता से कहना चाहता हूँ कि नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन 2014 के लिए अच्छे से अच्छा कैंडिडेट सिलेक्ट करे, नॉन करप्ट करे तो अपना देश बहुत आगे बढ़ेगा.
We represent CRY America, Child Rights in New America. We've been in the US for 10 years now, and in the last 10 years we've been able to support more than 422,000 children across India and here also in the United States. We are a 30-plus-year-old organization in India and India's largest and the most experienced child rights organization.
Now, question for you. How many states are there in India?
29.
Good marks. Wonderful.
जय हिंद. जय हिंद. अग्रवाल समाज को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं यूएसए के अंदर और हम लोग अग्रवाल समाज के लिए बहुत सारा काम करते हैं, लाइक हेल्थ केयर, हम लोग कैंप लगाते हैं, वाटर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. सो वी आर जस्ट मेकिंग अवेयरनेस कि वी आर अवेलेबल फॉर द कम्युनिटी.
वंडरफुल.
थैंक यू. We are celebrating first time in Agarwal Samaj in USA in India Day Parade, and we are enjoying the parade. We are really very happy. Thank you.
चढ़ गए हैं हाथ ध्वज फहराते, कारागृह में पड़े आज जो गात फतेह की गाते, बलि वेदी पर चढ़ने की हिम्मत जो दिखलाते, उन्हें लोग अपराधी कहते दीवाना बतलाते, मातृभूमि हम क्लांत सुतों को दे आंचल का प्यार, गरजा जय जयकार क्रांति का, गरजा जय जयकार। धन्यवाद। भारत माता की जय।
भारत माता की जय हो। क्रांति का चर्चा, जय जयकार। बहुत ही अच्छे शब्द थे। किसकी लिखी हुई हैं ये पंक्तियाँ?
श्री वीवी शिरवाडकर जी। जय हिंद।
आप कनेक्टिकट में ITV देखते हैं?
जी हाँ।
सारे इंडियन चैनल है अभी आजकल कनेक्टिकट। आपको अब हमेशा बराबर देखते हैं, तभी आपको फॉलो करते हुए आए हम मिलने आपसे।
कैसे लगते हैं कार्यक्रम आपको हमारे?
बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं। अपनी हिंदुस्तान की याद आती है अपना प्रोग्राम देख के।
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for participating in the raffle, ITV's raffle. We are happy to give away a mini iPad to the lucky winner here today. As you can see, you have to be present to win it. Reach all the way in, all the way. All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Yeah. Okay, the winner is Sangeeta Sagar from Jamaica. Congratulations.
The light of love, light of harmony, and the light of peace. And sharing that spirit of India here with thousands of Indians and non-Indians. This is Ashok Vyas reporting for ITV with cameraman Sarabjit Singh Happy. Jai Hind.
Brought to you by State Farm. Get to a better state.
So how do I know State Farm's right for me?
Try me.
What if it's the day of my brother's wedding and we use my car for the barat?
You're a good brother, and as a good driver, you receive a discount.
Of course, it rained.
And? It's a falling object. With our comprehensive coverage, you'll be just fine.
If only I had State Farm a month ago.
Get to a better state. State Farm.
Brought to you by State Farm. Get to a better state.